Hi there, my name is Kelley Hopkins-Alvarez and thank you for watching this video post. Today I wanted to talk to you about snoring in the committed relationship. Yes, I said snoring. As a psychotherapist, I think about the issues that I hear most frequently, especially bringing up challenges in relationships, and one of the biggest is snoring. I have several couples that I've worked with that have not slept in the same room for a number of years due to the snoring. I have a recommendation in this short post. Find some time, any time during the day, that you can connect, laying down, cuddling, snuggling. Something happens when we cuddle and snuggle with our mate. There's a hormone that gets triggered. It's called oxytocin. It's actually deemed by some as the cuddling hormone. Can you imagine missing out on those wonderful feelings that you and your partner can help elicit in each other by sleeping in separate rooms? Sleep is very, very important. We are leading more and more busy lives, but there's still a chance to connect. And one last thing, don't give up on your snoring. Clients have gone to sleep study centers. They've found out more information about their health, so continue to look further. Snoring should not have such a tremendous impact on keeping you and your partner so separate. Thank you for watching today, and if you're interested in continuing the conversation, I look forward to hearing from you.